Now I'm going to share with you on WhatsApp your own profile. You can actually generate your own profile picture, okay, in WhatsApp with the Meta AI new Meta AI image generator. Click on your profile picture, go to settings for your profile picture, and then click on edit. Click on AI images. Again, down here you can use the create image over here to describe the image that you want. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll create a heaven peaceful place. Let's see what they will generate. A heaven peaceful place. Why is this heaven peaceful place like that? Like the Japan with stone wood. This is called heaven. This one, this is so strange. This one, not too good. Maybe I'm going to change. Okay. Happy birthday to Singapore. Well, Singapore is going to celebrate a birthday soon, next month. So I was thinking about happy birthday. Oh, general address. You see, create not so good. Happy birthday. Image for Singapore. Let's see whether you can generate happy birthday image for Singapore. Cannot. Why cannot? Is it because I put Singapore? Let's see. Create happy birthday image. Okay. Happy birthday. A little boy and a little girl together. That's nice. Okay, happy birthday. And this one, no, happy birthday. They put a person, and this one is nice. Okay, happy birthday. Which one you like best? This is nice. Happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday. Hey, they use some other personality photo and create a happy birthday. I don't know who are they. And people are commenting that it's not right to use other people's face. I don't know, is it a true person or real person? If you're using other people's face to create a photo, I think it's privacy issue. So what do you think of this concern? Yeah, it's worrying. You never get the person consent to create a photo, image. Yeah. Basically, I just want to let you know that. And okay, let's put this. Happy birthday. Yeah, now you see that I can actually put the profile photo happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, let's maybe create another one. Create an image of a cat. loving music, jazz. This looks like art piece. Oh, what do you think of this? Oh, this is like art. Quite nice. Ah, cat plays saxophone. Oh, cat playing the trumpet. Huh. Which one is your favorite? I think it's pretty artistic, unique photos. Okay, you can set all this to as your profile photo. Okay, and all that. Okay. So basically, I just want to let you guys know you can actually create images now with your WhatsApp. Then you can send your photo to your friend or put it as a profile photo and even edit your own photos. Okay? Yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.